Born from one of the world's true technological innovators and race tested by great riders on epic trails, Pana-Racer's mountain bike tires continue to evolve, bringing their industry-leading Japanese production, tread technology, casing design, and compound mixtures to the exploding 27.5 scene, while continuing to produce the mountain's best 29 and 26-inch tires for every discipline. 27.5 has proven to be the sweet spot of wheel size for the aggressive trail rider and enduro athlete, even earning fans among cross-country riders and downhill riders. Pana-Racer embraced the new standard early and enjoys a huge advantage thanks to their partnership with the godfather of the 27.5 wheel, Kirk Piacenti. Straight from the mind of Piacenti, Pana-Racer offers the Neomoto 27.5. This is a tire aimed at the endurance trail rider and XC marathon racer. At 665 grams and 2.1 or 2.3-inch widths, the Neomoto performs in all conditions with an aggressive square block tread and low rolling resistance. ZSG natural compounds and Japanese-made 66 TPI natural casings deliver an ultra-responsive feel from the Neomoto for the performance trail rider and XC marathon racer looking for hard-pack performance in a 27.5 tire that still offers control in loose conditions. The Piacenti Quasimoto is the answer. The low-space center knobs fly on the hardpack, but rise enough on the shoulders to provide real control. Like the Neomoto, ZSG natural compound and Japanese-made 66 TPI natural casings give the Quasimoto an ultra-responsive feel on the trail. Pana-Racer's Fire line of tires have been all-mountain standouts, and for 2014, that performance is coming to 27.5 with the Fire 27.5 Pro. Pana-Racer's multi-step knobs have been redesigned for the 27.5. The profile is rounder and the compound is softer, all to hit the 27.5 sweet spot. The Fire digs in when traction is needed and rolls quickly when low resistance is required, and multi-step does it all with less weight. Like the 27.5 tires, the 29-inch Fire has also been optimized for its intended purpose, faster rolling with perfect balance. The Fire family is extensive, including 26 and 29-inch sizes, TLC-compatible versions, anti-snakebite technology, and a host of other features exclusive to Pana-Racer. Pana-Racer is bringing other names known across the trail for great performance to the new wheel standard. The Driver Pro, now tubeless compatible, is a blisteringly fast tire for dry conditions with plenty of bite in the corners that tips the scales at only 580 grams for a 2.22-inch 27.5. The narrower profile Comet also gets the 27.5 treatment for 2014, bringing its rounded profile for improved control while cornering quickly to the new wheel standard. When the conditions get loose and technical, but high speed is still demanded up and downhill, cross-country and marathon riders everywhere have turned to the Swoop, which joins the Driver and Comet in the all-new Pana-Racer 27.5 lineup. All of these tires retain their previous 26 or 29-inch iterations, ensuring riders on any wheel standard can choose the right Pana-Racer tire for their bike and their conditions. Pana-Racer performance is for every rider, every trail, every bike, and every riding style. With the Soar and CG tires, Pana-Racer is continuing to evolve both 26-inch and 29-inch tires. Soar all-condition tires are the ideal combination of a fast-rolling, race-ready tire that can perform on any terrain a long day in the backcountry might encounter. At only 500 grams, they accelerate instantly with large block side knobs for precise handling. CG tires have been a staple of the Pana-Racer line, and for good reason. Inspired by one of the greatest riders in the world, there is a CG tire that outperforms the competition in any situation. The CG DH took 2 years to develop with a super sticky ZSG rubber compound and Active Guard, a proprietary sidewall rubber that reduces pinch flats by 40%. This tire will get you down the mountain faster than you ever thought possible. The tubeless compatible CG all-condition AM uses the same split knobs and pinch flat protection as the DH version, but utilizes Pana-Racer's combo compound for long life and a sticky contact patch. Every Pana-Racer mountain bike tire, from concepts through design process to the production and testing of prototypes, is done in-house by Pana-Racer engineers and their stable of professional riders. The resulting tires, from 26-inch downhill tires, 29-inch cross-country tires, or the all-new 27.5 tires, are developed and produced first in Japan at Pana-Racer's manufacturing facilities, then other state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in Asia. This is innovation and evolution only Pana-Racer could create, and every tire they make reflects this. Performance, protection, lightweight, durability. Pana-Racer tires.